Some of the young ones floating around. It's like 8:30 at night. Find it's a bit cooler. Got these young ones learning the area. That blue's going to be amazing. I reckon that blue, that red, this red, those saddles, even that silver. Cockatoos go past. Yeah, that blue, that red, it's windy, they're flying, they know the area. I'm not afraid for them to fly around, which is good. And if you remember the boxer, the one who was protective of his poo nest, that's the one right there, the gold ring. Definitely want to see how that one flies. I definitely want to see how this one flies, including with the ones that are out there. But yeah, the father of this one on its best flights was like 7 hours. So mother had a top flight of 6.5. I'll have to see how this one goes. Some nice young ones. Almost pinkish. There's the blue. That's the blue. Now he's from a red and a silver Serbian hen. Did sell some birds today to Mr. Brandon. I'm glad I sold him some because I know he's going to look after them well. Let them go. It's 8:30 at night. They're just chilling around, flying around, learning the area. Landed over there. That's okay. They can land. Still learning. But that blue. It's going to be nice. It's coming straight away. That's good. Look at that one. Yep. Still learning. Still need to strengthen their wings. But they do want to fly, which is good. They're going to be nice. There's the other one. Very straight down. That's what I like. And that one's going to come down. That's good. Yeah, that's the blue. That's going to be pretty good. Young one. Now that blue is from a male who used to be paired to a blue, who gave a blue and a silver. So hence its mother is the silver, which then gave a blue. Oyster brother. It's just very small at the moment. It's still small. See how this Budapest goes. Budapest got a couple of eggs, so hopefully we get another one. So I've got these two. Don't look too healthy. So I'm just keeping them, making them sure they get okay. That red one was gonna be flying around like these guys, but it's okay. In a week, this one's looking better already.